I think right from the start, you and all the team of AccuJob, you are like really motivating and really like teaching us like what all to do, how to prepare. I think this was the major factor that we could clear the test like easily. We already knew like what kind of questions and what kind of patterns they are asking, and you guys and AccuJob like you provided us some material to prepare, and we prepared from them, and also like applied whatever we know. And I think this was different this time, and this got me this job.
Abhishek, first, before we get to know your story, we would want to know more about Abhishek. So, can you quickly introduce yourself and tell us what hardships you faced while with dogs?
All right. So hello everyone. My name is Abhishek Dobriyal. I'm from Uttarakhand, Dehradun, and I have completed my NCA in 2024. So yeah, right after completing my MCA, I applied to many jobs, and the difficulties I faced was not getting rewards from the companies, and then sometimes I was not able to clear the test, and yeah. So these are some of the difficulties that I was facing.
How did you come across that result?
So I applied. I think it was I was watching some video about jobs, and I clicked on the mail, and I think it opened AccuJobs portal, and then I registered and something like that, and yeah. So there I got to know about AccuJobs.
And have you applied in companies like Amazon in the past?
Yeah, for the SD profile, I have applied multiple times.
And how has your experience been when you were applying on your own versus when you applied via AccuJob? Can you tell me the difference between these two journeys that you've had?
So I have applied many times, but didn't get any rewards back. There was this one time that I got a reward back, but apart from that, I never get any reward from Amazon. But when I applied to the AccuJob, that time I got the test link, and I go through all the process of the test, and have finally got the opportunity to work with Amazon.
So in case of Abhishek, the candidates that I have spoken to, they always feel like Amazon is very difficult to crack. It's very difficult to crack the interview of Amazon assessment of Amazon. So what different happened this time? How did AccuJob help you to, very easily clear these assessments and interviews and have an offer today in that?
I think right from the start, you and all the team of AccuJob, you are really motivating and really teaching us what all to do, how to prepare. I think this was the major factor that we could clear the test easily. We already knew what kind of questions and what kind of patterns they are asking, and you guys and AccuJob you provided us some material to prepare, and we prepared from them, and also applied whatever we know. And I think this was different this time, and this got me this job.
And throughout the journey that you had, which was your favorite bit? Which was your favorite part of the journey?
Okay, so favorite part would be talking with you. You always motivate us. You will clear the test easily. You can do it. So the motivation part, I think, will really help us securing the job.
I think that's my pleasure. Abhishek, I think timeline is what I would want you to talk about. A lot of people say that, it takes a lot of time for Amazon to revert. How much time did it take for you to start your application, to start your assessment until you got your offer? What was the timeline to be?
Okay, so I think the whole timeline would be within 1 month, approx to 1 month, and approx to 1 month, we got the offer starting from day one, when we gave the test. In maybe 1 week we got interview or something scheduled, and then after interview 1 to 2 weeks for result, something like that. So yeah, approx 1 month it did.
Okay, now a curious question. Had it been you had applied for this role on your own, without anyone support or without AccuJob support, do you think you would have cracked this role?
I actually don't know because like I have not applied on my own. So I think it might be difficult for me personally because I don't think that I have that I don't know the format that you guys told us, the star format of Amazon, how to prepare and how to be more confident, how to communicate properly. I don't think on my own I would be able to clear that without knowing all this stuff. But I think if someone is very confident and already know this, they might crack it on their own.
Okay. So, what word of advice, Abhishek, you would want to give other people like Shri who are currently looking for the job, but they're a little hesitant because they don't know, where to go to, how to find the right platform that can help them with the guidance. So, any word of advice or word of suggestions that you would want to tell to those audience out there?
Keep looking, keep applying for the job, and we can always go to platforms like AccuJob for the help. The team is like superb. Ma'am taught us like really good things, and they are helping in like every step. Very encouraging, very motivating, and also like have some hope. Don't be hopeless, because once you become hopeless, it's really difficult. So keep applying for jobs.
One question that I personally want to always throw from my students is, when you first told your parents, or your siblings or your friends that मुझे Amazon में offer लग गया है, how did they react?
I think they were very happy that I got in Amazon. Apart from this, not a very big reaction because like in the family, we are not like a big reactor type, but they were actually very happy that I got the job.
Okay. Okay, now a creative question. Okay, two creative questions. One would be, if you had to describe AccuJob in one word, what would that word be today?
Motivating and helping.
And if I had to twist the question and ask you that what could be one emoji that you would want to put to AccuJob, what would that emoji be for you?
Like this way, the thumbs up. Yes.
Okay, Abhishek, I think that is all. Just wanted to have a quick chat with you. Wishing you very best. I'm assuming today is your first at Amazon?
Ma'am, actually today was the first day, but I don't know, like yesterday only I got this mail that I have joining on 16th. So I think it's postponed by a week.
But it's
So-
postponed. Okay, no worries. And Abhishek, stay in touch. Wishing you all the best. Before we leave, any final word of suggestion, feedback, or just anything that you would want to share with us?
Keep doing the work you guys are doing. Like it's actually very helpful for people like us. Really inspiring.
Surely. Abhishek will definitely take this up and will definitely make sure that a lot of other people like he get their job economically. Thank you so much, Abhishek, for being on this
Thank you
call
so much.
and all the best.